David Bailey was one of the Capitol Police officers injured in the Alexandria shooting at a congressional baseball practice on Wednesday. Two Capitol Police officers, David Bailey and Crystal Griner, were wounded in a shooting at a GOP congressional baseball practice in Alexandria, Virginia, on Wednesday morning. Representative Steve Scalise was also shot in the attack that sources are saying was deliberate. This post will be updated as more information is made available. Here's what we know so far about Special Agent David Bailey. 1. He has worked as a federal police officer for over 9 years. According to his LinkedIn page, Bailey has been working as a United States Capitol Police officer for over 9 years. His page states that as a Capitol officer, he is responsible for the protection of members of Congress, officers of Congress, and their families as expanded by statute to the entire United States, its territories and possessions, and the District of Columbia. As part of his job, Bailey also prevents, detects, and investigates criminal acts and enforces traffic regulations. His page reveals that he was an administrator at the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service in Falls Church, Virginia, from 2005 to 2008. 2. He was praised by Representative Paul Ryan for his heroic actions. Members of the House convened late Wednesday morning in the wake of the attacks. Speaker of the House Paul Ryan took the floor to praise the heroic efforts of Crystal Griner and David Bailey, the two officers wounded in the shooting. Ryan said that he spoke to both officers this morning. One was being treated, and one was about to go into surgery. I expressed our profound gratitude to them, Ryan said. It is unclear whether Bailey or Griner was the officer undergoing surgery. The other victims in the attack have been identified as Majority Whip Steve Scalise, staffer Zach Barth, and Matt Micca, a lobbyist for Tyson's Foods. 3. He is a graduate of North Carolina Central University. Bailey is a graduate of North Carolina Central University, or NCCU, which he attended from 2004 to 2007. 4. He is in good condition. Capitol Police Chief Matthew Verderosa said in a news conference Wednesday afternoon that both Bailey and Griner are in good condition and have not suffered any life-threatening injuries at this point. 5. The shooter, James Hodgkinson, is dead. In a statement from the White House, President Trump said that James T. Hodgkinson, the man identified as the shooter, is dead. Hodgkinson, 66, was from Belleville, Illinois, and owned a company called JTH Inspections. Hodgkinson was a vocal Bernie supporter. His Facebook page features a banner image of Sanders, and his profile picture boasts democratic socialism. Hodgkinson's Facebook page was recently deactivated. On March 22, Hodgkinson took to Facebook to write a post that read, "Trump is a traitor. Trump has destroyed our democracy. It's time to destroy Trump and company."